And the last section is devoted to economic data dimensions. On this slide, I've presented three main dimensions, which are constant prices, current prices, and price deflators. So economic variables can be expressed in one of the three dimensions. And the main identity that links the above dimensions is as follows. PT, which is the price deflator, is equal to the ratio of some variable y in current prices over the same variable y in constant prices. So when you will be looking through some databases that, for example, even some of them that I mentioned in the previous slides, you will see that after the comma there will be like a piece of information say that the variable is expressed in constant prices and current prices or as a price deflator, and now you will know how those three dimensions are linked. You will also find something called base period, and for the so-called base period the following holds. So the price deflator in the base period is always equal to 1 or 100, and the value of variable y in current prices is equal to its value in constant prices. There are different data formats that are used by statisticians and econometricians, and the ones that I want you to be familiar with. So we already discussed that variables are often expressed in current prices, but they can also be expressed in terms of dynamics. And this is how this dynamics index is calculated. So we take the value of variable in period t and we divide by its value from the previous period. We can also express the dynamics index in percentages. So we take the previous equation and we just multiply it by 100%. We can also express economic data in terms of rates of growth, and this is the universal formula for calculating any rate of growth. So we take the value of variable y in the current period, we subtract its value from the previous period, and we divide everything by its value from the previous period. So this rate shows us by how much the coefficient has changed from its previous period. We can also express rate of growth in terms of percentages, so we just take the previous equation and we multiply it by 100%. There is another type of index that also exists, and I think that you might even see in one of the databases. It's called fixed base index with the value of 1 for base period. So we already discussed what a base period. This is when price deflator is equal to 1 and variable constant price is equal to its value in current prices. So when we deal with fixed base index, the variables are calculated in the following way. So its value in some period t is divided by its value in the base period, which is a constant term, obviously. We can also express this fixed base index with the value of 100. So in addition, the equation above is just multiplied by 100.